Come test drive the 2019 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, power sunroof, inside you'll find trip computer, universal garage door opener, compass. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Come take a test drive today.